Hi everyone, my name is Twinkle. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna DIY Strobe Cream. So Strobe Cream is basically a glowy, glittery cream which you apply underneath your makeup to give that glow to all of your makeup. Just like you can see, this is all the glow by Strobe Cream. So today we are gonna DIY it. Since I don't have any Strobe Cream with me and I feel that Strobe Creams are expensive, so I thought of DIYing it at home, and by doing so many experiments I got successful and now I came up with this video. So I have so many ideas with this cream, like you can customize your own color according to your skin tone and still it will look good. With like minimum things you can make it, and you can make it very quick. So without chit chat, I'm just gonna jump into the ingredients. So first thing you'll need is your favorite moisturizer, which you would prefer to apply just before your makeup. So it's this. I'm using very basic Vaseline because that's my favorite and it's easily available. So yeah, I'm using this. Then you'll be needing paper napkins and any brush which you are comfortable to use on your face, and then you will be needing any pigment or any eyeshadow which is of white, golden or pink color. Like I will mention in the description box like what all options you can use. This is like the main key ingredient for Strobe Cream. So I'm using M.A.C pigment. Like I have it since long time and I don't use it much. So I'm gonna use this one. This is like white in color, pure white in color, and it has a little bit of glitters. And if you don't want to use that, then you can even use glosses or lipsticks which are glittery or basically which are glowy. Or you can use your favorite eyeshadow, or you can use any highlighter which you have it as an extra. Basically eyeshadow, gloss or pigment, these three will work perfect. So I have this pink glittery gloss and I have pink nude lipstick. So I'm gonna tell what to do with all of these. So first you need to take the container like so, or the plate like so. Usually I make my foundation, or I take out my foundation on this plate, so I'm gonna use this. So first take tiny amount of moisturizer which you're gonna use on your face, and then you take pigment. So first I'm gonna take tiny amount of pigment and then I'm gonna mix both of these. And it's ready. So you can stop at this step and I will show you that how it looks. I have applied it on my face, like it's beneath the makeup. So this glow is of this thing. So at this point you can stop. You need this sort of consistency, and this is the final product. So this is how the consistency should be. It depends upon the moisturizer you use. So you see, this is the instant glow you get. It's very lightweight because Vaseline is very lightweight on face, and the pigment I'm using is very light. So you can see this. And when you apply makeup on this, it will shine like this. Like it will give this a healthy glow. It's like when light falls on it, it feels like it's a healthy glow. Like you have done a lot of effort to do your makeup, but who knows the secret, right? So you can stop right here, but I'm gonna do a little extra out of the way. So I have this pink gloss with me. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of it because I want that pinky glow. So because these do have a lot of glitter, so I'm just gonna touch the tip of the brush, or you can even mix it here. Like you can literally dab it all over and it will look something like this. Alright, and then you wanna mix the whole thing. go, you have very light baby pink strobe cream. So like I have seen strobe creams in market, they do come in the normal shade and the pink shade. So if you want that healthy pinky glow on your skin, then you can just add a tiny bit of your favorite lip gloss, or even you can add pink pigment or pink eyeshadow or tiny bit of pink lipstick. You can just dab it and you just need to mix all together, and here you are ready to apply it. So this is the normal one and I'm just gonna overlap it. See, it has little very tiny bit of a like hint of pink color. It looks really beautiful on skin. So yes, there you go. You have your own strobe cream ready. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me, and take care. Bye.